Just do it! Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Finally got the car back. Oh my goodness. You guys probably saw I posted up kind of like a little teaser video, shooting some flames, kind of spur of the moment, on the spot thing. Me and a buddy went out, we're just kind of playing around and decided to film that really on his Snapchat. So I was like, I don't know, it's kind of cool. I'll put it on YouTube real quick just to kind of let everybody know the car's back. But here it is, guys. Oh my god, I missed it so much. Please excuse the mess in the garage. You guys should be used to that by now, but also I think I'm coming down with a cold or something, man. But there she is, guys. Oh my god. Fresh detail by Dyno X. Look at this. Keep in mind, this was yesterday and I drove the car for about 150 miles. And it still looks good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a good shine. But anyways, using their stuff over here, even the wash and wax itself did a really good job. And I actually really like this tire dressing. I'm probably going to put a little bit more on today before I go cruise around. So obviously it's been a while since we have seen the Camaro in any of the videos. So yes, I'm going to do a cold start. It is early. It is early. The sun's out, but it's about 7:45 in the morning right now. So most of the neighborhood's still asleep. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up on a cold start. The X-pipe is back in. I took the Solar Performance exhaust off. As you can see, the muffler's sitting right there. Couple reasons why. You guys obviously know I enjoy the loud stuff. The muffler, I mean, I guess to a normal person, it is pretty loud. It is a loud system, but the X-pipe to me is just where it's at. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start on this thing. Hopefully nobody comes over here complaining. If they do, whatever. I'm just so happy to have my car back. This is going to be a pretty chill video. We're just going to kind of drive around and I'll fill you guys in on a couple things. And then next week I'll go ahead and start doing some install videos. Well, one install video and a review. So anyways, let's fire this thing up. Alright guys, here we are, finally back in the Camaro. Gonna fire this thing up again. You'll notice it's a little louder, just for the fact that I don't have the back seats in. I was trying to diagnose the problem, and it was kind of a lot easier to listen for with the back seats out. I have not put them back in yet. Man, this thing lopes. I have not put them back in yet. So I do apologize. This is going to be a pretty noisy ride. Another thing I just noticed, the screen on my GoPro is cracked somehow. I'm sure probably one of the cats knocked it off the counter or something, and my wife probably picked it up and set it back. No telling, but I don't know if you guys missed the car as much as I did. It's just so good to be back. Oh my God. It is so good to be back in this car. So I've now done a couple of things, which will actually, let's get to the gas station first to get a Monster, and then we'll start really talking about today's video. Which, nothing crazy. We're just hanging out today, guys. So jumpy. And I don't know if that has anything to do with the new TrueTrac Differential, but it is so, oh wait, hold on. That would help too. I'll explain in a minute. It's probably a combination of the two. We are rolling through the neighborhood now. Trust me, everyone knows the Camaro's back in the neighborhood. Oh, it's a sweet sound. Well, let's do this, guys. I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the camera off. I'm gonna go over here to Dunkin', pick me up a Monster, and we will resume this video. Stay tuned. This car gets really expensive to drive, guys. God, it's like every time I drive it, I'm putting about, God, man, from empty, 20 bucks didn't even give me half tank. It's like a high school, man. Stressing on the gas mileage. And I'm so broke now, so I try to use cash, but anyways, I've got obviously the new differential in there, which is a Eaton TrueTrac. So far, I've got, you know, initial thoughts, complaints. The pro is I can drive my car now. Let's just hit a back road and just go cruise. Alrighty. Listen to this. Might not be able to hear it. There's a little thump in the back of the car now when I shift. The tech thought it might be the clutch, but I don't know. I hear it clear as day back here as I'm shifting. Got the Harnett County Sheriff behind us. Watch me get pulled over, dude. Ow. I'm also going 34 and a 35. Well, 35 now, spot on. Oh, he turned off. He didn't follow me. But yeah, the car, I haven't launched it yet. Obviously, I'm still kind of letting everything break in. The car does feel tighter in the rear, if that makes any sense. It's kind of weird, and I might just not used to be driving the car anymore, but even the gears feel tighter. Everything just feels a little bit tighter. Now, I don't know if you can hear this. Can't really hear anything over the exhaust and no back seats, but there is a very slight whine between about 30 and 50 mile an hour, which, whatever, I'm not really worried about that. I mean, it's 391 gears and a TrueTrac diff, so obviously there's going to be a little bit of whining. So what I'll probably do is keep driving the car and then come back, I don't know, maybe a couple months and do a review on this posi unit, just kind of getting a feel for it a little more. Telling you guys if I really notice anything. Now, one thing I do notice, and I've debated, I don't know, I just put this in yesterday. I've thought about, man, this car screams. I've thought about making an install video on the Vitesse, or Vitesse, however you guys want to call it, throttle controller. And I did go ahead and install it. I didn't make a video because it literally took 5 minutes. If you guys want to see a video on it, I can uninstall it, reinstall it. that's up to you guys if you want to see that. But it was such an easy install, I didn't even bother making a video, guys. And there's tons of videos out there. Actually, I don't know on a 5th gen. I've seen some on the 6th gens installing them, but really easy. And I'll show you guys kind of a little teaser. Granted, this is probably the smallest mod I've done on my car. I'm not going to get into all the specifics on it, on if it makes it faster, which I think you guys know the answer to that. The throttle response definitely changed. Like I'm driving around right now on SP0, which is the lowest setting. I bump it up to 3. This is the crazy thing. Like I'm driving and I can turn the knob. I'm not changing the gas, but listen. Yeah, I went from 0 up to 6 without changing my foot position on the throttle. And listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You definitely do get some more throttle response out of it, as advertised. So I think I'll probably make a review on that. And honestly, guys, I wanted to do one today. I've just been so caught up and honestly in driving the car, man, and I don't even know, like it was hard to bring myself to even make a video today. But I miss you guys. I miss all the comments. I'm sure you guys miss the car, hopefully. So I decided, you know, whatever, we'll just go ahead and drive around and cruise for a little bit. Just make a quick little video. But I'll show you this. I'm in 4th gear right now. Let me bump this up. I'm at 9 right now. SP9. God almighty. It don't take hardly anything once you touch the gas. I noticed the car is just extremely snappy. I'll talk about some of the different settings on this and which one I like the most in another video if you guys want to see it. Sounds so good. I might do a little pull for you guys just because it's been so long. We'll see. I might do a little pull. Yeah, I'll do a pull. Y'all gonna make me break my damn car. This is for you guys, by the way. Guys, well that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cut it short. Like I said, I didn't want to make this too long. Just want to let you guys know the car is back. I'm gonna drive around, guys, and have some fun. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Stay tuned for the next video. Drop a comment on what you guys want to see. Definitely got some content coming through. It's hard to come up with stuff, but I want to put it out there. But let me know what you guys want to see. I'll probably do some runs, but I still do want to break the car in a little bit before we go to Mexico or anything like that. So that's it, guys. Man, I love this car. That's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.